Hello guys, let's talk today about this e-camera, how to change the Wi-Fi network. So I have this E1080p home, okay, but it works with other e-cameras as well. As you can see, I have the settings already open here for the camera in the cell phone, and the information for the network, it shows me the Wi-Fi. When I click here, there's my SSID or my Wi-Fi signal. So here, for example, is max-24. That's the name of the Wi-Fi signal. I have all the information about the Wi-Fi, but there is no option to change it. So what I have to do is to reset the camera and select a new Wi-Fi, okay? So basically here, what I have to do is just grab the camera and a paper clip or something that you can insert here on this reset hole, right? So I just click here and hold for a while, and then I'm gonna hear the message.
Reset is successful.
Here we go. When I hear this message, I see that the LED start blinking in orange. Then I can come to my cell phone and change the Wi-Fi. But the first thing that I have to do is come here, back to the camera.
Welcome to Yi Home Camera.
Then I select here this option and I delete the camera, right? Delete here. So the camera is waiting to connect right now. Then what I have to do is come to my cell phone and select the Wi-Fi that I want to, right? Here in my Wi-Fi, I just need to select the
Waiting to connect.
Select a new Wi-Fi here. I'm just bring the one that I want. If you want a different one, you just need to select here. I'm going to select this again because that's the one that I have. It's just an example. As soon as I have connected to the new Wi-Fi, then I can configure my camera and the camera is going to get this information, right? So the camera is waiting to connect and I come back here and I'm going to add the new camera, right? So I select here the eHome camera, the first version that I have. Here the message waiting to connect, so I click here.
Waiting to connect.
And here I see my Wi-Fi and I need to input my password, okay? So basically the mobile phone is going to give this information to the camera. Now I just click next here and point the camera to the QR code.
QR code scan is successful. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Okay, so the camera says that it's connecting to the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is connected.
Okay, now it's connected. As you can see here, the LED now is blue. Okay, no longer
Pairing is successful.
no longer
You can
blinking.
start using your camera now.
I click next here and I hear the message that the camera is ready to be used, but there's an extra step that you have to do. As you can see, there's information about the authentication link has been sent to my email. So I need to check my email account, right, and confirm there, right? Let me just do this right now on my computer. So here in the background, I have my computer. Let me just open my email here. It already arrived. So I click here. And as you can see, here we go. There's the message that comes. I need to click here, finish camera setup. And here, select a name. I'm going to select office, next, and I'm ready to go. Okay. And here, I just need to wait for a while and it's going to change here. As long as I confirm there on my email, I just need to wait. Sometimes it takes like 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Then it changes here to the other option. Let me see, there's something else here to click. Continue. Here we go. It changed it, right? So Office is very successfully. Office is the camera's name that I gave there. And I just hit continue here and I'm ready to go. Here's an offer for monitoring, 24/7 monitoring. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just move my camera here and I can come here to this home and see the image from my camera. It's loading and here we go. Now I have a live image from my camera and then I have everything working with the new Wi-Fi. Okay, so that's how you can connect your e-camera to a new Wi-Fi. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.